It has arrived. Just gonna wait a second. Well, it has arrived. This is the, well, I hope it's not my rabbit's food order. No, it says DJI on it, so it's definitely the gimbal. You can see it here. As with all my unboxings, we will go round the actual box itself. So, there. And we can always buy that later if we need it. But I don't use manual lenses, I don't know if he's just stolen either. So we'll see what is in here. So it comes in a lovely carrying case. Very nice. This isn't sponsored by DJI in any way. I'm not that big a YouTuber. So, very nice. Just a little card there. Let's see what's in here then. So nice protected here, so there's the gimbal there. So we'll go through the accessories first. Nothing in these the bits here, but on our nice protective bit here. This must be the battery slash handle. Very nice. Feels like a good quality, solid grip. I'll just put that back in here. This must be the quick release plate. Stick it back in here. Ooh, tripod, feels nice metal construction. Obviously you're going to be able to hold it from here, that attaches onto here I believe. So the briefcase handle, which is a similar feel to the battery, and is in good quality. Quick starter's guide, just a quick starter's guide. Some USB-C and I think a lens thing. And USB-C to USB-C. And then this brings us onto the gimbal, I guess. Oh shoot, I just tore that. So we can get it out. This feels pretty epic, to be honest. I'm not going to unlock it yet. I'm going to go and charge the cable up, and there was nothing else under here, so I must have needed to spend 200 odd more pounds to get the autofocus thing. So I'll have a look into getting that later, not today, but yeah, this feels high quality, and carbon. There's one part of it's carbon fiber. It should say Pro somewhere. Haha! There we go. RS3 Pro. You ready? So there we go. That was my unboxing of the DJI RS3 Pro. Ronin, if you want to call it as well, the Ronin Pro. I have used it. I've got it in another video where I do a comparison of handheld
and using my little thing I used to use, my little grip that I used to use, compared to the Ronins, but it's urge you to understand that I've never used gimbals before, so this is very new to me. So it's going to take me a long time to get used to filming with one. Anyway, if you did like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, it does help. And I will see you guys in the next video.